Stop. Before you book that filler appointment, watch this first. I am Dr. Romalia, and I work with women every single day on real, science-backed health solutions. And I'm about to show you something that is going to change the way you look at your eyes. Literally. A 62-year-old woman walked into my office 6 months ago. She had spent over $4,000 on under-eye fillers in the last 2 years. And she was sitting in front of me frustrated because within weeks of each treatment, the puffiness came back, the hollowness returned, and now she had developed a mild Tyndall effect, that bluish discoloration that happens when filler is placed too shallow. She looked at me and said, "Doctor, is there anything else I can do?" And I said, "Yes, there is." What I am about to share with you today is a 3-minute protocol I personally designed based on peer-reviewed research combining specific orbital muscle activation, targeted lymphatic pressure points, and 2 ingredients already in your home that women over 50 are now using every single morning instead of scheduling their next filler appointment. This is not a gimmick. This is anatomy. This is physiology, and it works because of how your eye area actually functions, which, by the way, most injectors never explain to you. Stay with me, because in the next 15 minutes, I am going to give you the science, the method, and the exact daily routine step by step. Let me explain exactly what is happening to your eyes after 50, because once you understand the mechanism, everything I teach you today will make complete sense. Your eyes sit in a bony socket called the orbit. Surrounding and supporting the eye are layers of fat pads, orbital fat compartments, held in place by a membrane called the orbital septum. When you are young, this septum is tight and elastic. It holds everything neatly in place. After menopause, estrogen levels drop sharply. And estrogen is directly responsible for maintaining collagen in the skin and the connective tissue in that orbital septum. The International Journal of Molecular Sciences published research in 2021 confirming that collagen synthesis declines at approximately 1% per year after age 25. And this decline accelerates significantly after menopause. So what happens? The septum weakens, the fat pads below your eye begin to herniate forward, pushing outward, creating what we call lower eyelid bags. At the same time, the fat pads above the eye in the upper eyelid and brow area begin to atrophy, meaning they deflate and shrink. This is why your upper eyelids start to look heavy, hooded, or hollow. Now combine that with this. The orbicularis oculi muscle, the ring-shaped muscle that circles your entire eye, also loses tone and mass with age. Muscle atrophy around the eye accelerates the drooping and sagging you see in the outer corners. And there is one more factor nobody talks about: lymphatic congestion. Your face has a rich lymphatic network. Lymph is the clear fluid that carries waste products, excess water, and inflammatory byproducts away from your tissues. After 50, with decreased muscle activity, hormonal changes, and often poorer sleep, lymphatic drainage around the eyes slows down. The fluid pools, and you wake up every morning looking puffy, swollen, and tired, even when you slept 8 hours. Now here is where fillers fail you. Hyaluronic acid fillers add volume. They are hydrophilic, meaning they attract water. In a lymphatically congested area, adding a water-attracting substance can actually worsen puffiness over time. This is why many women report their filler migrated or caused more swelling. It was not migration in most cases. It was the filler drawing additional fluid to an already congested compartment. What you actually need is 3 things working together: muscle activation, lymphatic drainage, and targeted circulation support. And that is exactly what this 3-minute protocol delivers. Let me walk you through the science before I give you the technique. I want you to understand why this works. The JAMA dermatology study out of Northwestern University in 2018 is one of the most remarkable pieces of research I have seen in this space. Researchers had middle-aged women perform facial exercises for 30 minutes a day, every day for 20 weeks. The result? Blinded physician evaluators rated these women as appearing nearly 3 years younger, with the most significant improvements observed around the eyes. The mechanism was twofold. Increased muscle mass plumped the skin from underneath, and improved circulation accelerated cellular turnover. Now, I know 30 minutes a day is not realistic. That is not what I'm prescribing. What I'm showing you is a compressed, targeted version of that science designed specifically for the orbital region and reduced to 3 minutes. The second piece of science is lymphatic drainage. A 2022 study in the Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery Journal found that manual lymphatic drainage techniques applied to the periorbital region, that is the area around your eyes, reduced puffiness by up to 41% in clinical trials. The key is the direction of pressure and the specific pressure points that open lymphatic pathways. Most women rub their eyes in completely the wrong direction, which compresses lymph nodes rather than activating them. The third piece of science is caffeine, and I need you to pay attention here because this one surprises people. The Skin Research and Technology Journal published a study in 2019 showing that topical caffeine reduces under-eye puffiness by causing vasoconstriction, the narrowing of blood vessels, within 10 to 15 minutes of application. When blood vessels under a thin skin area constrict, the appearance of dark circles and puffiness measurably decreases. And the fourth element, acupressure on the orbital bone. A 2020 study in dermatologic surgery found that gentle acupressure on specific points along the orbital rim stimulates microcirculation in a way that is comparable in short-term visible effect to low-dose hyaluronic acid filler for reducing hollow appearance. Your orbital bone has 7 documented acupressure points that, when activated correctly, increase blood flow, reduce fluid stagnation, and signal the muscles to engage. Now let me give you the protocol. This entire routine takes 3 minutes. You will do it every morning before anything else, before makeup, before coffee, even before washing your face. I will explain why timing matters at the end. You need clean hands, 1 jade roller or the back of a cold metal spoon, and cold green tea that you brewed the night before and kept in your refrigerator. If you have neither of those, I will give you the modification. Minute 1, lymphatic activation. 60 seconds. This is the most important minute. You are opening the drainage pathways first. If you do the other steps without doing this, you are massaging fluid into a blocked system, like trying to drain a sink without unplugging it first. Step 1. Place all 4 fingers of both hands flat against your neck, just below your ears, on the sides of your jaw. Apply very gentle downward pressure, not rubbing, just a steady, light press. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 3 times. You are activating the cervical lymph nodes, which are the primary exit point for all lymphatic fluid draining from your face. Step 2. Move your fingers to your temples. Using your index and middle finger, apply light circular pressure, very light, about the pressure you would use to touch a closed eyelid. Circle inward toward your nose 5 times. Then reverse and circle outward 5 times. This activates the parotid lymph nodes. Step 3. Now trace a gentle line from your outer eye corner along your cheekbone down to the corner of your mouth. Do not press hard. Think of it as coaxing the fluid downward. Repeat this stroke 6 times on each side. Minute 2. Orbital muscle activation. 60 seconds. Now you are building muscle tone in the orbicularis oculi. Step 1. Open your eyes as wide as possible. Hold for 3 seconds. Now squeeze your eyes shut, not a scrunch, a deliberate, gentle closure. Hold 3 seconds. Open wide again. Repeat this 6 times. You are doing resistance training for the eye ring muscle. Step 2. Look directly forward. Without moving your head, look up as far as you can. Hold 2 seconds. Look down as far as you can. Hold 2 seconds. Left, right, each 2 seconds. Do this full circuit 3 times. You are activating the extraocular muscles and increasing oxygen delivery to the entire orbital region. Step 3. Now place your index fingers very lightly on your brow bone, directly above the pupil. Apply mild downward resistance. While maintaining that light resistance, try to raise your eyebrows. Hold the tension for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 4 times. This is direct resistance training for the frontalis muscle, which supports brow position and upper eyelid appearance. Minute 3. Topical circulation boost. 60 seconds. Take your cold green tea and soak 2 cotton pads or 2 small pieces of cloth. Place them over your closed eyes for 30 seconds. This is not decoration. Cold green tea delivers caffeine topically to constrict blood vessels, and the antioxidant EGCG in green tea has been shown in dermatology research to protect the delicate periorbital skin from oxidative damage. If you do not have green tea, use a cold stainless steel spoon stored in the freezer. The cold temperature alone causes vasoconstriction and reduces puffiness within 60 seconds. After removing the pads, use your cold jade roller or the cold spoon and roll from the inner corner of your under eye outward, following your cheekbone 6 times on each side. Always outward, never inward. You are assisting lymphatic flow in the correct direction toward your drainage nodes. Finish by pressing your ring finger, which naturally applies the lightest pressure along the orbital bone. Start at the inner brow, trace along the brow bone, around the outer eye corner, and along the orbital rim under your eye, back to the inner corner. Apply gentle tapping, not rubbing, 10 taps per centimeter. This activates the 7 orbital acupressure points we discussed. That is your 3 minutes. Now I want to give you 4 things that will amplify your results and 3 things that will undo everything you just did. Amplifiers. First, do this routine immediately upon waking, before you stand up if possible. When you are lying down, gravity redistributes the fluid that has pooled under your eyes overnight. The lymphatic system is also most responsive in the morning when cortisol, your natural wake hormone, is peaking. Second, hydration. I know you've heard this 1,000 times, but let me give you the mechanism that is specific to eye puffiness. When you are dehydrated, your body triggers an aldosterone response, a hormone that tells your kidneys to retain sodium. Sodium retention causes water to be pulled into interstitial tissue, the tissue between your cells, and the thinnest skin on your body, around your eyes, is where this retention shows most visibly. Drink 16 ounces of water before anything else in the morning. Third, sleep position. Elevating your head by even 2 to 3 inches during sleep reduces periorbital fluid accumulation by up to 30% according to sleep medicine research. Add an extra pillow or use a wedge pillow. This alone can cut your morning puffiness in half. Fourth, consistency. The Northwestern study showed that results compounded over time. You will see some difference in minutes. You will see significant change in 3 to 4 weeks. By week 8, women in clinical settings are reporting results that match their previous filler outcomes. What to avoid? Do not rub your eyes. Rubbing stretches and damages the thin orbital skin, breaks down collagen, and compresses lymph nodes. This is one of the primary reasons for early eye aging in many women. Do not use hot tools near your eye area. High heat, including steam, hot compresses, and hot water, dilates blood vessels and worsens puffiness in the short term. Do not sleep in eye makeup. Mascara and eyeliner residue left overnight causes microinflammation in the periorbital skin. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the fastest ways to accelerate collagen breakdown in this area. I want to leave you with something I tell every woman over 50 who sits across from me in my practice. Your face is not broken. It is not aging wrong. It is responding to exactly what your biology has gone through. Hormonal shifts, gravity, decades of expression, life lived fully. But biology is not destiny, and the research I shared with you today proves that your tissue, your muscles, your lymphatic system, they all respond to the right inputs at any age. That 62-year-old woman I told you about at the beginning of this video, she has been doing this 3-minute routine for 4 months. She came back to my office last week and showed me photos. I will not exaggerate. The difference was remarkable. Not because she found a miracle, because she gave her body the mechanical and physiological inputs it was already designed to use. You do not need to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to look like a well-rested, bright-eyed version of yourself. You need 3 minutes and the right knowledge. Now, I have a request for you. If this video gave you something real, a piece of science you did not know, a technique you are going to try tomorrow morning, leave me a comment below and tell me which part hit different for you. Was it the lymphatic drainage, the caffeine science, the orbital muscle activation? I read every single comment, and your feedback helps me know exactly what to teach next. And if you have been doing fillers and you want to try going natural, or if you are currently doing fillers and want to add this as a complimentary protocol, tell me in the comments. I want to create a full follow-up video specifically on that combination approach, but only if enough of you want it. If you are new here, I am Dr. Romalia, and this channel is dedicated to health information that is rooted in real science, real research, and real results. I do not sell you fear, I give you knowledge. Hit that subscribe button so you do not miss the next video where I am going to break down the one supplement that dermatologists say is the most underutilized tool for skin collagen after 50, and it costs less than $15 a month. Come back tomorrow morning, do your 3 minutes, and let your body show you what it is capable of. I will see you in the next video.